Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to find the subnet mask in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Finding the subnet mask in Linux is straightforward. Here are a few methods you can use. Method 1. Using the IP command. Open a terminal window. Type the following command and press enter. Look for the network interface you're using, usually F0, LAN 0, or similar. The subnet mask will be displayed next to the inet entry. After the slash, inet 192.168.1.6/24. The /24 indicates a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. So you will see the local IP address followed by a slash and a number, such as 192.168.1.5/24. This notation is called CIDR, classless interdomain routing. The number after the /24 indicates the subnet mask in a simplified format. /24 corresponds to a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, which means the first 24 bits of the IP address are used for the network portion, and the remaining bits are used for the host portion. If IP root is not installed on your system, you can install it using your distributions package manager, Debian-based distributions, Red Hat-based distributions, Arch-based distributions, OpenSUSE-based distributions. Method 2. Using the ifconfig command. Open a terminal window. Type the following command and press enter. Look for the network interface you're using, usually F0, LAN 0, or similar. The subnet mask will be listed next to netmask 255.255.255.0. If NetTools is not installed on your system, you can install it using your distributions package manager, Debian-based distributions, Red Hat-based distributions, Arch-based distributions, OpenSUSE-based distributions. Method 3. Using the nucli command. Open a terminal window. Type the following command and press enter. The subnet mask will be shown as part of the IP address entry, IP for .address 192.168.1.5/24. If Network Manager is not installed on your system, you can install it using your distributions package manager, Debian-based distributions, Red Hat-based distributions, Arch-based distributions, OpenSUSE-based distributions. After installing Network Manager, you can start and enable the service. These methods should help you easily find the subnet mask for your network configuration in Linux systems. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.